This video literally made a kid think it was real, and he started crying. What you're looking at is an emotional AI-generated cat story that I created using a single AI platform. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how these viral cat story videos are made and give you a simple step-by-step system for creating heartbreaking animal stories with consistent characters. A lot of people assume this niche is too strange to be profitable. That's not true. Some creators in this space are pulling in millions of views and reportedly earning thousands of dollars per video. But here's what most people get wrong. They think you need a bunch of different AI tools. One for writing, one for voices, one for visuals, one for editing. You don't. There's actually one AI tool that automates the entire workflow using built-in templates. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. So like this video, and let's start with step 1, which is to come here to a tool called Clipwise. You can also find the links in the description below, and you'll land here. Clipwise is an all-in-one AI video platform that plans, generates, and edits your entire video for you. Instead of juggling multiple tools, everything happens inside one dashboard. It works like a full video team in one place. Script writing, voiceover generation, scene planning, visual creation, captions, background music, and final editing are all handled automatically from a single prompt. So sign up and create your account. Once you do that, you are going to land here in the dashboard, where we will create our first video. Scroll down and you'll find hundreds of different AI templates in different niches. These niches include AI viral, business, YouTube niche, and more. I'm going to go to the AI viral section. This will show you all the viral AI-style videos that are currently trending, including fruit eating, cat stories, ASMR fruit cutting, and more. For the purpose of this video, you already know we are going to choose the cat story template. So I'm going to click on it, and this will select the template. Now this is where you're going to add a prompt. You can either write a prompt and describe your video idea manually, or you can simply choose a pre-written prompt directly from here. As you can see, there are different prompt templates like Cat Inventors, Flying Machine Crash, Cat Musicians, Epic Stage Flop, and Cat Explorers, Jungle Trap Escape. For this example, I'm going with Cat Explorers, Jungle Trap Escape. After that, you'll see some settings like language. I'm going to leave it as English. For the duration, you can choose how long you want your video to be in seconds. I'm going to select automatic and let the AI handle it. Then I'm going to hit generate. After that, you'll land on an AI chat interface, similar to ChatGPT. As you can see, the scenes and narration have already been generated. You can change the story settings directly from here by chatting with the AI, and Clipwise will produce the updated content based on your messages. You can see here the visual themes are spectacular, and the character has been generated. These look extremely engaging. Once you're happy with the output, the next step is to select a voiceover. So I'm going to click on that. This will pull up all the available AI voiceovers for you. I like the voice Shelly, so I'm going to select that and hit confirm. Next, select your background music. This step is optional. Next, I'm going to click Generate Scenes, and this will automatically build out all the scenes based on the approved plan. All right, the scenes are now generated. Right now, these are image-based sequences with cinematic zoom and motion. If you want fully animated, realistic video clips, this is where the advanced models come in. Inside Clipwise, you can upgrade scenes using models like Seedance Pro, Veo 3.1, Sora 2, and more. And that's what we are going to do next. So for this example, I'm going to select the Seedance Pro video model and click Convert All Images to Video. What this does is transform every scene into a real video clip with natural motion, depth, and smooth camera movement. You don't need to export anything or open another tool. Just choose the model, hit Convert, and Clipwise handles the rest. As you can see, the video is now ready. Let's hit play and see the result.
Jungle. Leo the cat explorer moved carefully through thick vines and humid air.
Awesome. We've got smooth motion, emotional visuals, and consistent characters across scenes. This is exactly the style that's performing well in this niche right now. There's also an edit timeline option. When you click it, you're taken into a simple built-in video editor. From here, you can control sound volume, regenerate clips, replace scenes, and fine-tune your video directly on the timeline. If you click on subtitles, you can change caption styles, fonts, colors, animations, switch background music, and adjust transitions. You can also add more scenes from here if you want to extend the story. Overall, it's a complete but non-technical video editor, and it's optional. If you never want to touch the timeline, you don't have to. everything can still be handled through AI. All right, now all you have to do is hit export and the video will start rendering. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Deep in the jungle, Leo the cat explorer moved carefully through thick vines and humid air. Suddenly, a hidden pit appeared beneath his paw. With a swift leap, he avoided the trap. That was close.
Awesome. As you can see, the video looks 3D, cartoonish, emotional, and professionally edited. This is the exact style that's performing well in this niche right now. And the crazy part is, this entire video was created using a single AI platform. All right, so now let's talk about pricing. Clipwise has 3 main plans. The starter plan is $10 per month. That gives you up to 40 videos per month and is perfect if you're just testing the niche. The creator plan is $20 per month, and this is the most popular option. You get up to 200 videos per month, premium generations, more credits, voice cloning, and priority generation. Then there's the business plan at $32 per month. That unlocks up to 625 videos per month, more premium generations, and higher monthly credits. Ideal if you're scaling multiple channels. Right now, they're offering 60% off on annual plans, so this is honestly the cheapest you'll get access to all these features. If you're serious about building AI story channels or testing this viral cat niche, this is the time to try it. You can find the link in the description below and get started. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.